Today I'm going to walk you through on how to start dropshipping in 2025. I know many of you are eager to dive into this business model, so I'm going to break it down into steps that you can follow. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to get started and scale your business. So make sure you stick around till the end because each part is crucial. And trust me, you won't want to miss any details. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. First things first, let's clarify what dropshipping is. In a nutshell, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you don't have to keep products in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means that you never have to handle the product yourself. The best part about dropshipping is that you start with very little upfront investment. You don't need to buy inventory or worry about a warehouse. But here's the thing, just because it's easy to get started doesn't mean it's easy to succeed. I'm not going to paint dropshipping as an easy business to start. You've got to put in the work and strategize to make it happen. Now let's talk about the first step, which is finding your winning product. Now this is super important because finding your winning product will determine whether your store is super successful or a massive failure. When choosing a winning product, think about what products have you seen recently that look good and have caught your eye. Do more research on them. You can also research trending products that are gaining popularity by using social media or an ad spy tool. Platforms like Facebook and TikTok will really help you find what's trending right now. Look for posts with high engagement and views. This is a strong indicator that people are interested in these products. Also, pay attention to the comments. If you see a lot of "I need this" or "where can I buy this" in the comments, that is a very good sign. Now what you need to do is make a list of potential winning products and start researching each one to see which is the best to use. So now that you have the products in mind, it's crucial to find the right suppliers. This is a key element in your dropshipping journey. You want suppliers who offer high quality products and reliable shipping. And I know a lot of you just end up using AliExpress, but the issue with AliExpress are the long shipping times, which in the end could frustrate your customers. And what then will happen is that they'll start asking for refunds. But not only that, AliExpress is extremely unreliable. There are also so many times where they just haven't sent the product to the customer, which meant that again they would ask for refunds and I'd end up losing out. So choosing a good supplier is extremely important. One supplier you should definitely check out is BUCKYDROP. BUCKYDROP is an amazing supplier in the dropshipping game, and they're quickly making a name for themselves with their excellent service and unique offerings. Now compared to BUCKYDROP, AliExpress has some disadvantages in the following areas: lack of quality inspection and customization services, as AliExpress typically does not offer product quality checks or personalized packaging, while BUCKYDROP supports these value-added services that enhance brand image. Limited automation support for orders and inventory, as AliExpress does not integrate directly with Shopify or WooCommerce for automated order and inventory synchronization. Transparency in logistics, where AliExpress offers complex logistic options that lack clarity, while BUCKYDROP provides a streamlined logistics management solution, ensuring reliability and timeliness. And what really sets BUCKYDROP apart from other platforms is their commitment to providing a user-friendly platform with a variety of features to help you succeed. Let's dive into what makes BUCKYDROP a standout supplier for dropshippers. Firstly, BUCKYDROP offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to manage your orders and products. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced dropshipper, you'll find their system very easy to use and straightforward. So this is the website and the interface is extremely easy. On the left, you click on sourcing and you can also find winning products as well. Over here, you can see your orders. If you click over here where it says stores, you can then connect your store and link it to Shopify or even WooCommerce. Now they also provide real-time inventory updates. This means that you'll always know what products are in stock and available for your customers. So no more frustrating situations when you sell a product that's out of stock. Real-time inventory management can save you from negative customer experiences and potential refunds. Another great feature is the automated order processing. When a customer places an order on your store, BUCKYDROP takes care of the fulfillment automatically. This means that you can focus on what you do best, which is marketing your products and growing your business without thinking of logistics. Quality control is another area where BUCKYDROP excels. They ensure that the products that you are selling are high quality. This is crucial because selling low quality products can lead to returns and complaints, and BUCKYDROP understands the importance of quality and makes it a priority. Additionally, BUCKYDROP provides online customer support. So if you have any questions or run into any issues, their team is ready to help you, and this level of support is invaluable, especially for new dropshippers that have a lot of questions as they navigate the process. Another significant advantage of using BUCKYDROP is their ability to integrate with WooCommerce and Shopify. This means that you can easily connect your store to BUCKYDROP. Now, as your business grows, you'll want to ensure that your systems can scale with you, and BUCKYDROP is built with that in mind. They're designed to support dropshippers who want to expand their product lines and reach more customers. So let's talk about their Black Friday offers. So if you're considering starting with BUCKYDROP, this is the perfect time. They're running some amazing promotions that can give you a head start in your dropshipping business. One of the standout offers is double fulfillment for new users. So what does this mean for you? It means that when you place an order with BUCKYDROP, they'll handle the logistics for you, and the fulfillment fee for the first 60 orders is completely free. This is a huge advantage because you can try BUCKYDROP without any additional service fees. days. Customers today expect quick delivery, and with BUCKYDROP, you can meet these expectations right off the bat. Another fantastic offer for new users is 20% off their subscription. That means not only can you experience premium services, but you can do so at a reduced cost. Now, starting a dropshipping business can seem daunting, especially when you factor in the expenses. However, with this discount, you can save some money while still accessing the top-notch services. But not only that, these guys also do custom packaging for your dropshipping product, which means you can add your logo and designs to the packaging. And if you're planning to grow your business, BUCKYDROP offers the chance to buy in more stores for a free 12-month subscription. This is an incredible opportunity for anyone looking to expand their business and manage multiple stores without the added financial burden. If you ever thought about diversifying your product range or entering new niches, this is the perfect way to do it without worrying about any extra subscription fees. Overall, BUCKYDROP is an excellent choice for anyone looking to start their dropshipping business in 2025. So make sure you click my link in the description and sign up to BUCKYDROP. You can also get a 1% extra bonus back. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. So the next thing that you need to do is set up your online store. Now the best and only platform you should use is Shopify. So make sure to sign up to Shopify using your email address, and I'd always recommend to sign up using a new email address. This way you can keep your business and personal email separate. And when designing your store, make sure to keep it simple and clean. You want to create an easy shopping experience for your customers. Make sure your product pages are visually appealing and include high quality images, clear descriptions, and customer reviews. I would also include gifts, as that helps a lot with conversion, as well as a sticky add to cart. Trust me, these details matter. Now once your store is set up, it's time to craft your brand. This is what will set you apart from the competition. Think about your brand identity, your logo, your color scheme, as well as your overall vibe. You want your brand to resonate with your target audience and make them feel connected to your store. Consider what message you want to convey and how you want your customers to perceive you. A strong brand can lead to customer loyalty as well as repeat purchases. So create a name for your product and store. You can use tools like ChatGPT to help you, and you can create the logo using Canva, which is what I've used for a lot of my dropshipping stores. Now after you've created your store, the next step is to market your store. You've got to drive traffic to your website to make sales. Now there are several ways to do this. You can either do paid ads, influencer collaborations, as well as organic traffic. Now social media platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts, they are amazing to get free organic traffic to your store. With this, you'll need to create viral content around your product and post them on either TikTok or YouTube Shorts. And if they happen to go viral, you'll then get a lot of traffic onto your store, which could result into sales. Now the best way to create viral content is to use a proven framework which has worked for other people. Find a video on a dropshipping product that has gone viral and copy that framework and use that on your winning product. Now influencer marketing is another effective strategy. Partnering with influencers in your niche can help you reach a larger audience and build credibility. Just make sure to choose influencers who align with your brand values. And finally, if you're ready to invest some money, I would make sure to run paid ads on TikTok or Facebook. You'll need to create engaging content that highlights the benefits of your product. You can use a website like Viral Ecom Ads who will create these dropshipping video ads for you. So when you're doing your video ads, start with a small budget to test what works for your store, and then scale up as you see results. Once you start getting traffic and sales, it's crucial to analyze your performance. Use Shopify's analytics to track your store's performance. Look at metrics like website traffic and conversion rates. This data will help you understand what's working and what you need to improve on. And if something isn't performing well, don't be afraid to make adjustments. The key to success in dropshipping is being flexible and willing to adapt. Finally, once you start seeing consistent sales, it's time to start thinking about scaling your business. You can do this in many ways, like expanding your product line, exploring new marketing strategies, or even creating additional online stores using other winning products you've identified. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and hard work, you can build a profitable dropshipping business in 2025. Now, if you need help with dropshipping, then make sure you join my Discord group called the Ultimate Wealth Circle. The Ultimate Wealth Circle is a group of like-minded individuals who are looking to make money online and network. I'm also building courses for this group, and you can join completely free for a limited time only. So make sure you join by clicking my link in the description. Now, I've made over $4,000 in only 48 hours dropshipping. So if you do want to watch that video, make sure you click somewhere on the screen, and I'll see you guys there.